This year's Introbiz has surpassed anything I've ever seen.
If you're a business in Cardiff, you need to be here.
In all networking, I've never been to a better show.
I think it's huge, it's massive.
The show was amazing. Come on, let's just call it what it is. Amazing.
7,000 people through the door.
People that are aspiring to have businesses or that have got big businesses can all speak to like-minded people.
I've done the business show in London last week, but this has been the best this year.
I think we've nearly sold out. It's been a really good day.
You've got 3 or 4 of the world's top speakers. London hasn't seen this speaker lineup before.
The people here want to do better. What can they do right here, right now, to get their money right, to grow their business and take care of their family?
If I was to start from scratch today, would I be as successful as I've been? Yes. And that's because I have the self-confidence and the drive and the determination to do it.
Have 3 social media accounts and do them better than everyone else.
I've learned so much that I can physically implement into my business.
Really good content, really good environment to be around, and you get to learn a lot of things.
What made you leave B&Q and join Welsh Rugby? Are you mad?
I know the plans they've got for next year are just amazing.
Thoroughly enjoyed it so far, haven't we?
Yeah.
We're definitely going to do it again.
I'm certainly going to be here next year and every year that they hold this event.
There's no better business show.
I'm back next year. There's no thinking, I'm back.